Good morning, ma'am. The researchers will be presenting the business plan. There will be a sixth part of the business plan. In the executive summary, Potato Balls is a cheese and potato product combination that can be classified as a snack food. The researchers' specific target market is located at Tangkulan, Manolo, Fortich, Bukidnon, in front of NBSC School Gate. The researchers' business opens Mondays to Sundays at 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. If the next supplier is closed, the second and the third supplier will be Gaisano Market and Lamkitkay Market. Potato balls prices 3 pieces for 20 pesos each pack, and it can be buy it by pieces for only 7 pesos per piece. The researchers invest a maximum capital of 169,800. This huge money is for overall needed of the business to provide its materials, including the general administrative expense that cost 39,520 in total. The list of equipment to use, that is 8,560 in total. The raw materials needed that cost 121,800 in total in a year. Potato balls contains nutrients and vitamins, calcium, and it's also a strength endurance. The researchers' company is a general partnership enterprise. The company consists of 3 individuals: the owner and the product manager, Kenrael Canoy, the secretary and the cook, I myself, Krisnovi Mansibugan, and the assistant manager of the company, J. Chris Lomer S. Rosales. The product is nutritious. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. It is also a good source of calcium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus.
The researchers' vision is to be the number one seller food product industry in Tangkulan, Manolo, Portage, Bukidnon. Our mission is to serve and promote the business in Manolo, Portage, Bukidnon that produce fresh and healthy with its affordable price. And our goals is to get higher profit in business industries.
The researchers' company name is Cheese Potato Balls Company. It is a partnership business composed of 3 members. The company is located at Tangkulan, Manolo, Fortich, Bukidnon, at Northern Bukidnon State College, in front of School Gate. The researchers' company end up with the extraordinary name, and that is Cheese Potato Balls. The product logo symbolizes the business, which is Cheese Potato Balls. The square shape has 4 different angles, and it is hardworking, honest, trust, and responsibility. The researcher's product is with abbreviation CPD. Potato balls contains cheese with potato as the main ingredients. The researcher's owner's responsibility for the company are to establish the budgets and sales forecast. Assistant manager is to operate excellence by performing managerial tasks. The cook's responsibility is to create appetizing dishes for customers to enjoy. The product manager is responsible for delivering differentiated product to a market. For a company rules and regulations, the researchers' company will going to achieve its mission, which is to serve and promote the researchers' product that produce fresh and healthy products with affordable price. Workplace must be clean at all times to encourage customers. For a marketing plan, the researchers' target market are the students, faculties, and staffs of Northern Bukidnon State College, and individual out-of-school youth. The cook for home conveyances the list of 2 sets of potato balls. Promotion will be coordinated on end of the week, and various joints and deal tests in new markets. For competitive analysis, there will be names of competitors, types of competitors, their product, prices, strength, and weaknesses. Curiosity Eatery is a direct competitor. They sell meatballs and prices 12 pesos each. Their strength is locally sourced. Higher cost business is their weaknesses. Salsid Eatery is a type of indirect competitor. Their product is lumpia that priced 7 pesos by pieces. Cheaper price is their strength, and not currently using food delivery is their weaknesses. For SWOT analysis, The researcher's strength is to establish business producing quality products with a healthy value of good taste. Weaknesses is to establish business having less market. For opportunities, as the higher the population, the higher the demand of the product. Threats is a possible loss of market when competitors introduce new product into existing segments. In marketing strategies, the promotional mix is to publicize the cheese potato balls. It is an effective method to attract customers and increase the selling. Throughout social media, such as Facebook, it can be useful in promoting products throughout advertisement. It is a popular form of advertising. Through quality assurance, the Cheese Potato Balls Company is the manufacturer of this firm ensures the cleanliness and orderliness of kitchenwares and even raw materials. The business follows the rules and regulations when it comes to cleanliness and policies. The researcher's financial plan capital is 121,800 in total. The researcher's product cost computation in daily production is 362.5 in total. Weekly is 2,537 in total. Monthly is 10,150 in total. The yearly is 121,800 in total. The break-even computation in break-even point there is 1,968 units. In break-even sales there is 39,344. The income statement and net there is 15,974 in total. Not currently using food delivery.